Lucas carries down to the corner. Gulls first-year defenseman came in on a PTO at the end of last year, but this is going to roll away from him, the intended pass, and it's back to Gulls ice. As Doan able to get around Petrie. Look out, rolling puck here right to the Gulls slot, but Sokolov can't get it on goal. Connaughton now holds from the point. Agazino dishes down low. It's returned to Andrew Agazino. Connaughton gun cocked, one-timer, scores. Roadrunners flip it in right side, Pagansky. McEwen will be the first one to it. Gives to his partner Hetherington. Now Carpenter looking for Nesterenko. Coughs it up in front. Man wide open in front. They score. Agazino was the man in front. Sokolov threw it towards the net. Mishak's going to have 5 shots on goal in this game, and they're all from in the blue paint. But they still can't solve Villalta. Here's Righetti. He'll try one from the right side that misses wide. Held in by Hines. Leaves it for Mishak. Another drive. Off a couple sticks. In front. Past the Schaffel. Backhand at home. Jan Mishak keeps it in from the blue line. Throws it to the front. It comes to Pastujov, who turns it on the backhand. And the Gulls are on the board. They get -7 with the Gulls picking one up here. Blast from the point, stopped by Klang, rebound in front, turned by Barron, they throw it back into the crease, diving is Klang, and he somehow keeps it out, and the puck squirts to the corner. Gulls still hold it, another one thrown to the net, blocked in front, never made it onto Villalta. Hetherington holds in, finally followed up by Lipkin, he'll force the center, and it's a 2-on-1, make it 3-on-1, here's McCartney, McCartney right side, now stops and throws it in front, and Lipkin directs it in. Leave it for Zuber. Man open right wing circle. Connaughton walks to the slot, holds and fires. Stick save made by Klang. Back on for Hebig. Left point. Man open right side. It's Connaughton. Holds at the face-off circle. Sharp angle. He scores. Slides it through the 5-hole on Klang, and Connaughton's got 2. It's 4-1 Tucson. Couldn't corral that one, the bouncing puck, as Regina tries a sharp angle try. Got right off the mask of the goaltender. Carpenter digging away. Penalty coming up here. Down to the ice went Regina. The Gulls corral it. And their Gulls will head to the power play. They still have the puck, though. Here's Petrie right side. Freshman on Petrie. Dekes around one. Shoots the puck. And Villalta makes the save. Tied up by Dylan Hetherington, but the puck will come to Doan. He'll skip it down the ice. Off the shaft of the stick of McEwen into the empty net. So the exclamation point on this one.